What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now today is a historic day in the life of RJ.
That rhymes.
Today is the day where I will finally hang up my name tag as International Understanding Director of the Interact Club of SMK Bandar Sunway. It's been one heck of a ride this past year. I've won the iQuiz with my mates at Arvin1907 and at Mr. JH Lee. Go follow them on Instagram. I've hosted and directed my first ever International Understanding Day. I've went to a few other International Understanding Days, namely Asunta and SBS. It's been one heck of a ride, one magical journey, and it's a bit sad knowing that I will finally not have a sort of responsibility towards the Interact Club anymore, but I will definitely be joining the Road Track Club once I get to Sunway College. I will definitely join the Road Track Club there. And yeah, today is officially the uninstallation day for the Board of Directors of the Interact Club year 2014 to 2015. It's time to turn over a new leaf for the Interact Board of Directors 2015 to 2016. Let's get on with the installation day, shall we? I am suited up, ready for the big event. Let's go. I've just arrived at school. It's a wonderful morning. The birds are singing, the sun is shining. I'll be performing soon, hopefully no cold feet. And yeah, so I hope I don't freeze on stage. That would be embarrassing. More embarrassing than when Erin fell in the chair. And yeah, see how it goes. It's a wonderful day.
I would like to thank the board who has supported me and worked alongside me to make my term a memorable one. I would like to thank my track teacher, Wan Usha, who has elected, guided, and supported me along the way. She has helped me a lot to learn so much, and I'd like to reach out to her with a heartfelt gratitude to her. All these lessons and values gained will I cherish a lifetime, and it will definitely help me in the future. I would like to congratulate the new board for their effort and hard work to make today a success. I know they have worked hard and worked tirelessly and independently, which is something which I admire very much. I'd like to wish them all the best in their new term, and may they bring more success and projects for the club. I also hope they remain to our aim, which is service above self, and make that a reality and merely a saying. Remain dedicated and making a difference in someone's life. Interact Club is a hub to which you can reach out to community and help them. Let this be your first step in future to be a helpful person. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't wish to extend further. I wish to congratulate the new board of 2015-2016 and not forgetting the interactors who are the backbone of the club. I trust the new board will bring a new height of success. Congratulations and best of wishes. Thank you. Viva la Interact.
So it seems that I'll be performing next. Literally cold feet right now. I'm nervous as hell. Let's hope it goes well.
You never love yourself half as much as I love you. You never treat yourself right, darling, but I want you to. I'll let you know I'm here for you. Maybe you'll love yourself like I love you, oh. And I'll just let these little things slip out of my mouth. 'Cause it's you, Oh, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. If it's true, it's you. Oh, it's you they add up to. I'm in love with you. With all your little things.
Well,
Ready?
cut the cake, man. Just cut it. Oh!
Who wants to speak this to? Hey, you eat this, huh? It's up. Look at that. One by one. Okay, who's someone supposed to give this to?
Are you recording?
Yes, I'm recording.
Yeah, I have to pick to Ashwini. Ashwini?
Smoke.
Ari, can you see her first? No,
Nani.
Ashwini first. Ashwini, happy birthday to you.
The cake's falling.
Why don't think lah? And you may fit me.
Oh, that's so sweet.
I know, right?
Oh, it's cool.
President passing.
Shout out to the cameraman. So guys, that's it for installation day. It's one bittersweet morning, but in any case, I had a good time. Both of my songs were performed brilliantly, and I'm pretty happy and a bit sad as well. Of course, it's time for me to give way to the new. And yeah, that's it. See you guys later, and peace.